my name is Chef Emmanuela and I'm going to teach you guys today how to make hot chocolate. It is my favorite Christmas treat. And well, right now we're just gonna make a regular candy cane hot chocolate because that is one of my favorites, which we're gonna be making for today. So all this stuff you can either go and buy at the grocery store, you can find around your house. So let's get started. So I have my hot chocolate mix because making it homemade is hard sometimes. So we just got a little powder and I'm just gonna pour that in. Perfect. And this part is my little secret, so you guys gotta be quiet about this one. Can't tell anyone, okay? So this part, I'm gonna crush up a candy cane. Okay, let's pour that part in. There's still more to go. Don't worry, I cleaned my table first. Always gotta have a clean workspace. Well, yeah. So that looks like about enough. And you wanna crunch it up first and then put it in, because then when you put it in the hot water, then you get the extra candy cane flavor in it. Ready? You gotta be careful with the hot water part though, because you don't wanna get burnt, because that would be really bad. So maybe ask an adult for help with that one. So then after you pour in your water, you're just gonna mix it up. Okay, a little bit of a mess. Okay, once you get that on, then we're gonna put on the whipped cream. So you gotta give it a good little shake. Put it on top like that, just a cute little mountain. And then we gotta open up our other candy cane, cause this part is your stir stick. So let's be honest, candy canes always break. Mine broke, so it's just this little thing now. But that's okay. We can put it in on the edge and we just stick it off like that. And look how cute it looks, you guys. It's my favorite. And now we gotta test it out. So grab a straw. So good. Ready for the next one? Let's make another one. Oh, hey there guys. So this time it's gonna be a Nutella waffle one. So are you guys ready for this? First, gotta grab our spoon because this time we're gonna put our Nutella as the base. So you just gotta stir it up, make it a little soft. Don't be too excessive, Emmanuela. Come on. Okay, now we got our Nutella. Oh, we can make it look pretty on the edges too. There we go. That's fun. Let's be honest, it probably looks kind of gross, but I love Nutella, so we're gonna call it good there. And now we gotta put in our hot chocolate. So grab another hot chocolate mix, and then we're gonna add in our water. Again, like before, we gotta make sure that an adult does it so we don't burn ourselves, because that would not be good. And then you're gonna grab your mixing spoon and you're just gonna stir it all up. And this is the best part, because you get a little bit of Nutella mixed in there with your hot chocolate powder. It's gonna be extra chocolatey now. Okay, now it's all mixed together, and we're gonna put our whipped cream on top again. Cute little mountain. And this time, we're gonna add on a waffle stick. So you just put that right in there, and voila, it's all done. See? Chocolate. This one is a mint hot chocolate, which means we have after eights in it, which are my favorite mint chocolates. They're so good. Okay, so for this one, we're gonna put a crumpled up after eight at the very bottom. So then it gets that extra flavor all the way through all of your hot chocolate. So just kind of like crumple it up however you want. They're kind of sticky, so you just do it as best as you can, and then shake it inside your cup. There we go. Okay, and now we're gonna put in some hot chocolate again. And hot water. Get a parent to do it. Just a little reminder in case you forgot. And then you wanna stir it up again, so grab your spoon. Okay, whipped cream, again, obviously. Who doesn't like whipped cream on their hot chocolate? Little mountain again. And the best part, you're gonna put an after eight on the top to make it look cute, but gotta try them first to make sure they taste good. So good. And then plop it in top, just like that. put your straw in and try it again. So good. Okay guys, our last and final hot chocolate. This one is a rainbow hot chocolate. So I have my mini M&Ms. I got some mini marshmallows. You can find rainbow ones. Rainbow marshmallows make the best for this kind of hot chocolate. And then obviously whipped cream and your hot chocolate. So let's get started. So I have my hot chocolate powder again. And then you're gonna wanna stir it up. Perfectamundo. Whipped cream. What do you guys think we should do? Should we do marshmallows or M&Ms first? I'm gonna do marshmallows first. Boop, 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 boop. Cute. And then we're gonna do some M&Ms. I'm honestly just gonna sprinkle them on top. I know they're going everywhere, but that's okay. Ready? Oh, how does that look, guys? Oh, this looks so good. Oh, it looks amazing. Okay, now to taste test it, of course. Delicious. Absolutely magnificent. Well, thanks for joining me. Have fun, guys. Hope you enjoy making hot chocolate as much as I did. And make sure you put in the comments below which one was your favorite. See you next time.